Hey everyone, Morgan here. So for this video of the 30 Days of Preparedness collaboration, I'm going to be showing you how to use water purification tablets. I think a lot of people are really confused, when they see, well, do I just use tablets, whatever. They're confused on like how to actually use it. So this is the actual water, sorry. There's mosquitoes everywhere. I put bug spray on, but they're just still swarming. Okay, so this is the water purification. This is the actual water purification. Now on the bottles, as well as on the back of the card, there are directions, but the directions are also on the bottle. Now, there's these you can get from Walmart, or I'm going to link down below to Amazon. But yeah, you can just get these at Walmart. They're $8 for these two. This one removes the iodine taste and color. So because this kind of gives a little bit of a taste sometimes, and I don't really care, but this helps get rid of that color and taste. Now, I have some rainwater right here. I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to fill it. I have just a cotton cloth, any type of cotton will do. Slowly pour it in, and it'll catch all the big particles. See, there's some big chunks that I just caught with that. So filtering the water first is pretty important. Okay, so now we have just water that is ready to be sanitized. So this says add 2 tablets. This is a brand new, so I'm going to be opening it. Add 2 tablets to 1 quart or 1 liter. So you're going to take the 2 tablets, this is what they look like, and then just put them in, let it sit for 5 minutes. This actually says you should put on in a bottle with a cap. It doesn't matter that much, but usually you're just going to be shaking it. But instead of shaking it in 5 minutes, I'm just going to be stirring it, because this isn't a bottle that I can shake. So I have a little stir straw here in a second. All right, so now we're going to stir it up, or if it's in a bottle, you can shake it. Just give it a good stir. Once it's all stirred up or shaken up or whatever your system is, we're gonna go ahead and let it sit for 30 minutes. All right, it's been 30 minutes. And at this point you wanna drink it, you can. However, it also comes with these tablets that you must use after this. So you need, just basically follow the directions, but it says that you need to wait 3 minutes before drinking. But first of all, you have to wait until after the 30 minutes, the minimum of 30 minutes, and then you put these in. So if you put it in before the 30 minutes, it can actually be harmful. But you add these 2 tablets and then you wait 3 minutes before drinking. All right, I just plopped them in there. And they seem to be taking effect, so wait 3 minutes before drinking. Okay, so it's probably been about 5 minutes here, and the tablets look to be gone as far as I can tell. Unless that's them at the bottom. I can't tell. Anyway, it's been 5 minutes. You can drink it after the 3 minutes. Look, I left it outside, and I think a little debris got in there just from falling. Oh, come on. Anyway, so right now it kind of smells a little like just ever so slight of kind of like a pool, just like ever so slightly. Let's go ahead and do the taste test. I've always said I don't think the plus tablets take away that much taste and color, and they kind of really don't. But they take away a little bit. Like, it doesn't taste as iodine-y. It doesn't taste as bad. It still has a little bit of a kind of more like a stale water taste kind of thing, but it's not that big a deal. It really depends on the source of water too that you're taking it from and stuff like that. But it does get rid of bacteria from the water, and also takes away some of the color and kind of nasty taste of the purification tablets. That's what it's taking away from, not necessarily taking away the nasty taste of any water or the color from the existing water, but it's just taking the water away, or taking the flavor and taste away from those first iodine tablets. So anyway, that's how you do it. These are really nice to have for the home, or there's a mosquito on me, for the home, or in your backpack. These have, I would say these have about a year or two shelf life, as long as they're kept in cool, dark conditions away from moisture. Moisture really is what is going to take it away. I've opened these up after a year and they've been totally fine. So 1 or 2 years around there, just depending on how they're stored. These are great to have, pretty inexpensive. We'll do quite a bit of water with everything that you have here. Again, you can get them at Walmart. I'm going to put the link down below for Amazon. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to you later. Bye.